Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel. I only have time today to do a quick clean 20 minutes to clean and tidy all this. And yes, folks, this is all my mess for you to see. Dishes from this morning's breakfast and husband's lunch. I haven't had time for a shiny sink, but I do today. I haven't filmed a cleaning video in a while, and well, we'll start one now to kick off the new year. I still think it's wild that a lot of us get motivated watching each other's cleaning videos, but I know you're my peeps, so let's do this. That is hilarious. I was just gonna set up the shop that the dishes were to be unloaded because they're clean, and I was gonna just throw in the dishes from the sink. Hello, they're dirty dishes because last night I didn't have enough to actually start it last night, so. Okay, let's try this again. I just showed reality right there. Since now I'm not going to unload the clean dishes because they're not clean, I'll now add the rest of the dirty dishes and get the dishwasher going. I'm off to a great start, don't you think? It happens. Please tell me in the comments below you've done that. Once, I swear, I started to put back the utensils in the drawer, and midway through doing that, I noticed they were still dirty. I had to toss the whole pile of forks, pile of spoons, and pile of knives into the dishwasher again, including the ones that were even cleaned, just to reassure myself that they were not contaminated. Oh my gosh. This is me being my own commentator with these lids and such. There. Yeah, well, no, let's turn it around. There. Put that one there. No, maybe here. Yeah, okay. That one there. All right, it's all good. Shut it. How are you all doing lately staying home? As you can see, I'm working a lot on our kitchen counter lately. Mostly working in my planner, figuring out this year's goals, and finally getting around updating this channel here and there. I am a full-time family giver to my mom, aka Queen G. Just like a stay-at-home mom, I do what I can in between taking care of her needs and activities throughout the day. But trust me, it's all worth having her here with us. If you like weekly family vlogs, then I'm your channel. Here, it's all about the way we go about things that can really make a difference in the most positive way. I'm a housewife, but I'm not perfect, nor am I an expert on cleaning. I don't follow a system. I just clean what needs to be clean. That's how I roll. I mean, I do have a routine of like daily chores. And this is just a glimpse of it. Sorry about the lighting. My camera kept going from being bright to dark, so I was trying to edit it out so it won't be like big. Oh, and do you like my new calendars? Squirrel. I really need to start working again upstairs in my office more. It would definitely cut down on keeping the counter uncluttered and clean. But this past week, I was feeling guilty being upstairs, leaving Queen G to herself most of the time during the day. So there's that. I use the Methods all-purpose cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. I really like the scent of it. And let's be real. I mean, if you have to clean, make it be a nice experience as possible, right? If that's using your favorite cleaning product, like mine, grapefruit, or listening to music, whatever, you do you. always like to clean my sink as much as possible, but yesterday got away from me. Isn't it weird how starting with a shiny sink gets you motivated to clean more than just your sink? Try it. You're probably wondering why I had 2 hand soaps there. Don't worry, I am too. Just kidding. I barely have any left from the fall soap that was there, so I placed a new one beside it. I hate it when you have your hands underneath a running faucet, and as you go for that pump of soap, you get air. You know what I mean? I'm trying to save myself from having to stop and get one from the laundry room, then start all over again trying to wash your hands. As a caregiver, this would be a crisis. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Had to get another clean microfiber cloth. This little spot is known as our dumping ground, but that has improved a lot since last year. I was on the kick of picking up after myself. Everything has a home. Take something out, put it back, you know, that sort of thing. Yeah, it's still in progress. I've had these canisters for way too long. I'm actually going to get rid of these, but just not in this video. That will be in my upcoming declutter videos next month. I'll be in another decluttering challenge, so make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. I've been keeping up with cleaning behind the scenes, working on organizing my space really. Sometimes I find myself just jumping to like a random spot and clean it like entirely. I sort of get lost in that moment. A total cleaning therapy session, I suppose. Anyone else wiping down like high traffic areas with disinfectant all the time? Like all the time. Sometimes twice in one day. It's pure madness, man. Yep, always finding the humor in things, even while cleaning. Yep, even in cleaning. It's amazing what we can get done within 20 minutes. That's all I had blocked off in today's plan. But next, I'm going to be working on my meal plan for the week, which I plan to film, so make sure you check that video out. I'll also include me cooking a new recipe in the video. I know some of you really enjoy the cooking that I share, so I hope to do more of those this year. The back living room was really not a complete mess, so there were kitties' toys to be picked up, pillows to be straightened, and a few things to put back. I'll need to attack dusting and cleaning those back windows again, but I'll wait until the predicted rain should pass by. Oh, and then I just noticed I had a blanket that was sticking out. It's like, here I am, so had to refold that too. It's time to get back to my mom, Queen G, and get on to our day. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on future videos as this one. I'll leave a playlist of my previous cleaning videos to watch here and my meal plan video I mentioned here. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.